So hi, today we're going to learn about lists, and these are the operations that the challenge gives us. And then the amount of operations that we have to do is given by the user, and we convert the string into integers. All right, let's go and implement the solution here. So first thing first, we're going to need for loop, and then in range, we're going to go from 0 to n. All right, and then after that we're going to before that we're going to need the data, and that's a list of data, and we will have to basically collect the command and the value from the input. So that will be command lines equal to input dot split, and that will be a string. All right, and then we have a command length, and it will be equal to length of command lines. Okay, so and then we have a command, and that will be command lines 0. That will be our command, and then we have to I think we indented it wrong, so let's see. Okay, so it's working. You're in range. Everything is working. Yeah, that's good. All right, so we have to basically filter out the command and the values. So if command length is equal to 2, that means we have only a value, command and a value. So that means value equal to we have to convert into integers, and then we will have command lines, and this will be 1, the second index. All right, and let's copy this, and we have the second command. That will be, we have 3 string, so 3 type of value there. So this is going to be 2, and the locations will be integer command, and that means we going to insert something inside the data. So we have a second command lines, that will be our locations, and that's it for our command line, filtering out the command line. So we're going to have right here, we can say something like this, and well, let's just say we don't want to mess, right? So all right, so let's go this right here, insert, and let's go down here, implement that. If command is equal to insert, that means we are inserting data.insert will have locations and then value. All right, and we have elif. So down right here, we're going to compare against another command, which is basically print. All right, so print data, easy enough. And then we're going to have so command blah blah, and then we're going to have elif remove, right? And then we're going to remove from the data, so that means data.remove value. Okay, and then we're going to have to append another one, which is basically right here, and then append. So that means data.append and then value. Alright, so we have to comment that one, and we're going to have a sort right here. Sort data.sort, and we have to pop. Alright, so data.pop, and we're going to reverse this one. Reversed, and right here data.reverse. So yeah, there you go. We don't need to pass any location or value right here, so we can just append, we can just remove, print, but right here we need locations, and right here we just need to convert it to integers. All right, so there's it. Let's try and run this. We might make mistakes, but no, everything is good. Just run and submit. Yeah, it passed. Yay. So that's it for our less operations.